Yengekino to all language and culture lovers. We are launching a worldwide Kikongo challenge to celebrate the linguistic richness of Kikongo and to encourage linguistic diversity. Participate and share your love for this language by pronouncing a word or phrase in Kikongo. So, how to participate? Record yourself saying something in Kikongo, for example, a small introduction like Mbotezeno bantu mkumbu ame yaya konga, monong yena mukongo wa Alemania. Yenge. There's also a list available for non-Kikongo speakers with words and phrases you can choose from. Post a video on your favorite social media platform with the hashtag Kikongo Challenge. Invite your friends to join the challenge by mentioning them in your post. Share your passion for Kikongo and help preserve this beautiful language. Let's spread the Kikongo love.